I got this sleek gardening knee pad sent to me to make a video about. This is a paid post. I was just in the store and I was going to buy one of these, and this is just as nice as the one I was going to buy. The only difference is this one is pink and the one I was going to buy is black. But I don't mind. This still looks pretty nice. The thing that's nice about it is it's so really thick, because I have a lot of gravel in my yard, and when I put my knees down, the gravel will dig into my knees, so it's nice to have a nice thick knee pad. Let me show you the difference between my old knee pad. So you can see the difference here. This is the Sleek Garden knee pad, and this is my old knee pad. So it's significantly thicker. My old knee pad, I've had this for a few years, but after putting it down in the gravel and kneeling on it, it started to take its toll. So it was time to get a new one. This one's getting kind of thin and flimsy and starting to blow away in the wind. This thing looks pretty meaty. I don't think this is going to blow away in the wind. All right, let's take it outside and test it out. It's pretty windy today. I'm going to take it out there and set it down on the ground and see if it blows away. I have to do some weeding out here by my garden, and there's a lot of gravel around here, so it'd be nice to have one of those knee pads. All right, let's put it down here and see how it does. All right, it's kind of windy out here, and it hasn't blown away in the wind, so that's a good sign. Oh yeah, that feels pretty good. That's pretty comfortable. Yeah, this is nice. All right, let me compare it to my old one. My old one still works, but you can see it's bowing up here. But yeah, that feels really nice. You can see it's holding up to the gravel pretty good. There's a few little dings in there. But yeah, in general, I think this thing's going to get the job done. So it's the Sleek Garden. I'll go ahead and try it on a few more things and see how it does. I'm working on my pool pump here, and I need to get down in that gravel. Let's see how this knee pad does over here. This gravel's pretty thick. Yeah, this will work real good. I can just put my knee down here, and then I can get in here and I can work on the pool pump and work on the pool pipes right here. So yeah, this is great. This is a pretty nice little knee pad. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Got a little bit of a knee print in there, but it seems like it'll form back into place. It's got a little handle here. I can take this out so I can carry it around. Yeah, little scratches after being in the gravel, but I think in general everything will just kind of push back out into place. So pretty nice little knee pad. I'm pretty happy about this thing. So there you go. There's the Sleek Garden knee pad.